Aloe vera, the love plant. Known for its soothing properties and vibrant green leaves, this plant is a symbol of love and care. Lovebirds. Are you looking for a way to add a touch of nature and warmth to your home? Want to spice things up and bring some zen to your life? Aloe vera is not just a plant, it's a lifestyle choice that promotes peace and well-being. Meet aloe vera, the plant that's more than just a decoration piece. It's a versatile companion that can enhance your living space and your life. This easygoing succulent is about to become your new best friend. It's perfect for those who want a low-maintenance plant that still offers plenty of benefits. It's like the best roommate ever. Easygoing, always there for you, and might even help you get lucky. Plus, it purifies the air and can be used in various home remedies. Stay tuned because we're diving into the wonderful world of aloe vera. From its historical uses to modern-day benefits, we'll explore why this plant is a must-have in every home. Aloe vera is like that friend who always looks amazing without even trying. It's got those plump, juicy leaves that just scream, "Touch me." Don't worry, it won't mind. This plant is a survivor, thriving in sunny spots and needing very little water. That means even if you're super busy, and who isn't, aloe's got your back. Literally. More on that later. Let's be real, life gets chaotic. Kids running around, deadlines looming, date nights that feel more like business meetings. Sound familiar? We're all trying to find that balance between work, family, and, actually enjoying life. Stress levels are high, patience wears thin, and sometimes you just want to scream into a pillow. But hey, before you do, grab some aloe vera. Aloe to the rescue, love, health, and happiness. Aloe vera is not just a plant, it's a lifestyle choice that brings joy and wellness into your life. This is where aloe vera goes from cool plant to miracle worker. Its benefits are numerous and can transform your daily routine. Remember those plump leaves? They are nature's treasure trove, filled with a gel that has been used for centuries. They're packed with a liquid that's basically magic for your skin. This gel is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Sunburns, kitchen burns, dry skin, aloe soothes it all. It provides instant relief and promotes faster healing. Feeling stressed and tense? Life can be overwhelming, but aloe vera is here to help. Aloe vera gel can help relax those muscles. Its cooling effect can ease tension and bring a sense of calm. And for all you lovebirds, guess what? Aloe vera has something special for you too. Aloe vera is known for its aphrodisiac qualities. It can enhance your love life in surprising ways. Yep, you heard that right. Aloe vera can boost your energy levels and improve circulation. It can also boost libido, setting the mood for a little romance. So, whether it's for health, relaxation, or love, aloe vera is your go-to plant. Aloe vera, your ticket to a better life. This humble plant is more than just a pretty face. It's a powerhouse of benefits waiting to be discovered. Aloe vera is not just a plant. It's a lifestyle choice that can transform your home and your well-being. Aloe vera, the low-maintenance plant that can bring your family closer, soothe your stresses, and even improve the air quality in your home. Imagine the joy of nurturing a plant that gives back so much, and maybe even heat things up in the bedroom. Its soothing properties can add a touch of romance and relaxation to your intimate moments. What are you waiting for? Head to your nearest store and pick up an aloe vera plant today. It's an investment in your happiness and health. Get yourself an aloe vera plant or 3, try it out, and see the difference it makes in your life. Place them around your home and watch the magic unfold. And tell us all about it on the channel. Share your experiences and let others know how aloe vera has changed your life. And go ahead, like and subscribe for more content. See you on the next one.